The Popcorn Project. European project within the 7th Framework. Grant Agreement 606,634. This project has been developed by a consortium including SMEs and technological institutes. The aim of the project was the development of a device for characterizing the mechanical properties of the cornea based on a PLENOPTIC imaging system and an advanced biomechanical model. The project has been coordinated by Alicante Oftalmologico Oftalma. Oftalma is an ophthalmological clinic within the FTA's Medmar International Hospital that was founded in 1996. It is a leading organization thanks to the implementation of innovative and high-tech treatments for diseases that affect the vision. The institution has high-level trained personnel, ophthalmologists and optometrists, providing medical care services for Spanish patients but also for other countries. The Popcorn Consortium also includes SMEs such as Biotronics 3D from United Kingdom, Optoelectronica 2001 from Romania, Applied Mechanics and Bioengineering Research Group from the University of Zaragoza, Spain, CSO from Italy, and the UK Intelligent Systems Research Institute. The transparent cornea is a living tissue that constitutes most important component of the outer ocular layers. The peculiar structure of the stromal collagen lamellae provides specific mechanical properties to the cornea. To predict the corneal biomechanical behavior is essential to understand the consequences derived from the modification of the geometry of the first corneal surface by means of intracorneal ring segments, or by laser refractive surgery. The analysis of corneal biomechanics is crucial to improve the diagnosis and management of ectatic corneal disorders, such as keratoconus. We have developed a dynamical topographer suitable for three-dimensional, 3D, mapping of the deformation of the corneal surface under controlled force. This system is based on PLENOPTICS, with a corneal analysis which is not limited to a specific section of the cornea. Likewise, the dynamic topographer allows performing measurements in different areas of the cornea, not only in the central zone. The popcorn system performs a triangulation of equivalent points among different views. We used focused PLENOPTICS in which the images of each microlens are focused in the PLENOPTIC image. Lo que involucra otro tratamiento y otras restricciones en la resolución. In this type of systems, the distance from the microlens matrix to the sensor is not restricted to the focal distance of the microlenses. Data analysis and modelization with finite elements is performed by means of a customized model for each patient. The model considers the nonlinear behavior of the material, being able to reproduce large deformations, as well as the anisotropy of the material due to the preferential orientation of the collagen fibers. The model allows the generation of a reference geometry which is the corneal geometry without pressurization. This geometry is crucial for the data analysis once known the geometry with intraocular pressure. There exists interplay between the corneal response, the geometry, the IOP and the corneal material, and therefore the currently available devices to measure the mechanical properties of the cornea in vivo are not able to discriminate all cases of damage on the collagen structure of the anterior corneal surface. A coupling between parameters must be taken into account since a softer cornea coupled with a high IOP may present the same corneal response that a stiffer cornea with a low IOP when an air load is applied onto its surface. In order to avoid an excessive computational cost of the inverse for methodology, a machine learning technology is used for both the patient classification and a material parameter estimation. A photofractive keratectomy laser surgery simulation has been achieved by including ablation profiles and tissue removal. The numerical results are in good agreement with the clinical proposed correction. Depending on the material stiffness, different corrections are induced and, consequently, a good definition of the material is necessary to predict the proper dioptric correction. A protocol for 3D remote processing has been also developed and planned that allows a more efficient use of the data obtained with the popcorn system. It also avoids the need of using computers with high computation powers that would significantly increase the manufacturing cost of the system. All the information is stored, analyzed and treated in the cloud. This information will feed the learning machine that will refine its decisions concerning the type of biomechanical behavior that is present in each analyzed cornea. Different dissemination activities have been done, including press releases, presentation in congresses and seminars. Different publications in prestigious peer-reviewed journals, such Journal of Cataract and Refractive Surgery, PLOS 1 and Clinical and Experimental Optometry. The popcorn device becomes a reality, a new way of analyzing corneal biomechanics.